Introducing Chain 'em Up, a tool that makes installing chains on dual-axle vehicles easier, faster, and safer.
Hi, my name's Norm Moot. I'm the inventor of Chain 'em Up. My tool will make your life and your job a lot easier.
Chain 'em Up, with patent pending, is a durable non-skid ramp that makes it easy to elevate your outside tires for any maintenance, including putting chains on tires. The heavy-duty non-skid traction is safe even in extreme conditions. Time spent outside of the truck during inclement conditions is unsafe. Incorrect installation of chains can cause significant damage to the tires, chains, and the truck. Chaining up the traditional way is a hassle that takes longer, is harder, and is less safe for the driver. Chain 'em Up's hinge design makes it convenient to fold, carry, and store. Each ramp weighs a little more than 20 pounds and has convenient built-in carrying handles.
Putting chains on the tires on the truck when they're off the ground elevated is so much easier, safer, faster. It's a one-step process. One late afternoon, one early evening up on Vail Pass, I was trying to put the chains on so I could get up the mountain, not get a ticket for not having chains on, and my foot slipped off the clutch, my tire spun, and the chains wrapped around the inside duals. So I had to call a wrecker company. They had to come up, jack the truck up, take the tires off so I could get the chains off. So I sat there for about 3 hours, wasting time, and when I thought to myself, never again, I'll get the tires off the ground.
Installing chains is just a fact of life, but Chain 'em Up can cut the time in half, make it easier to ensure a proper tight fit, and simply takes the hassle out of it. Road tested for more than 2 years by real truck drivers in the Rocky Mountains,